Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make honey mustard. First, gather your ingredients: Dijon mustard, honey, mayonnaise, and a touch of apple cider vinegar. Start by measuring 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard into a small bowl. Next, add 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and a half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This combination creates a perfect balance of sweet and tangy flavors. Once all your ingredients are in the bowl, it's time to whisk them together. Use a small whisk or a fork to combine everything until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy with no lumps. Now, taste your honey mustard. This is the crucial step for personalization. If you prefer it sweeter, add another half tablespoon of honey. For more tang, a 1/4 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar will do the trick. Keep adjusting until it's perfect for you. After achieving your desired flavor, transfer the honey mustard to an airtight container. A small jar or a sealed plastic container works perfectly. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and delicious for up to 1 week. This makes it ideal for preparing ahead of time for your weekly meals. Enjoy this versatile sauce with chicken tenders, as a dip for pretzels, or spread it on your favorite sandwiches for an extra burst of flavor. So, in just a few simple steps, you can create your own delicious honey mustard at home. It's incredibly easy, takes less than 5 minutes, and tastes so much better than anything you'd buy at the store. Plus, you control all the ingredients, making it a healthier option. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy dipping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.